The neck pull is a deceptively tricky exercise that really poses a challenge to a lot of intermediate and even advanced Pilates practitioners. Today we're going to be covering proper form and different variations, beginner to advanced, so that you can get the most out of this work. Ian from Clarity Pilates will be our demonstrator for today. He's going to start by just showing you the full exercise. So you lean back in a flat back, roll all the way back to the mat, and then good luck, come up and over and pull the top of your head, gently pull the neck down between the knees for a stretch, and then lift back up and start it all over again. So the part that people have the hardest time with is usually this, coming back up, and over. Now, often in a studio, we'll do this with a strap on the feet. We're going to talk about how to replicate that at home later. But this can be done, as Ian's showing, free in space. So let's talk some variations. If you are a beginner, I want you to bend your knees and just get your posture tall, hands behind your neck, and then lean back in a flat back a little bit, and then lean a little forward. That's it. So if you've done flat back on the short box, it's very, very similar. And you're just practicing building that support and that strength for the first part of the exercise, and then maybe also taking the stretch, or you can press the top of the head down between the knees and gently pull on your neck. And Ian's been doing this for a long time, so you can see he has a decent range of motion when he stretches forward. I'm just gonna say, don't pull on your neck too hard, you guys. It's a delicate area of the body. You wanna ease into it. So once you feel like you're able to do both those things, you can lean back and you can go forward. You can try the same thing, but with straight legs. So it's a little bit more advanced, especially for that stretch. You're gonna probably feel a bit tighter. And then if your feet start to float, it's okay, as long as you feel like you still have control. So once you feel ready, you can go all the way down. And then if you struggle to get back up, reach your arms forward. So we take them out from behind the neck for a moment and then put them back when we get up for the stretch. And this can really just help get physics on your side. So when you need that little boost, reach the arms or even grab behind the thighs. It's not cheating to pull yourself up, especially when you're just first getting the hang of this. And then like we talked about before, if you can get your feet under like a couch, or if you have a friend who can hold your feet for you, that's great. The other option here is to do the exercise, but not to go all the way down. So you see Ian's just gonna roll back a little, and then woof, when it gets hard, he's gonna come right back up. And that way he doesn't have to struggle to get himself up off the floor. And that's a good general rule of thumb in a lot of Pilates exercises, is only go back as far as you can easily get back up. Awesome. We'll end this exercise with a nice neck pull forward, and then you can sit up tall. You are all done. Really nice work. That is not an easy exercise, so feel free to come back to this video again and again, or practice it with us in mat class. We've linked that up in a description down below for you to check out. And of course, if you want to support this channel, you like what we're doing, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you would like to see us make next. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on the mat.